Hi and welcome to my channel. Let's make some festive simmer pots and cookie mixes. Let's start with our cranberries that we are going to boil. After heating, we will put these on a pan, pop them in the oven, and dehydrate them. We are then going to slice some apples and oranges. I then lightly dust my apple slices with cinnamon. I slice my oranges and put them in my dehydrator. If you do not have a dehydrator, you can use the lowest setting on your oven. While my cinnamon apples are in the oven on 175 and my oranges are dehydrating, I am going to start making my cookie mixes. Start with your flour. I'm using a basic all-purpose flour with sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, and chocolate chips, M&Ms, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and then some ribbon and twine. Make sure you have some nice, clean, new mason jars and measuring tools. A funnel also helps if you have one. Using my favorite cookie recipe, I packed down the flour with the baking soda, a little bit of brown sugar. I packed that down, put a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, and then I put my M&Ms on top. This dry cookie mix is done. You can create as many versatile recipes as you like with your dry mixes by putting them in the jars, and if you layer them, it looks really pretty. My cranberries, I put them in the oven and dehydrated them, as well as my cinnamon apples and my oranges. So we are ready to start packing our simmer pots. For my spices, I will be using peppercorns, cloves, star anise, which is optional, and allspice. So in a clean jar, I'm lining the bottom with dried cranberries, and then I'm layering a dried orange slice and then a dried apple slice, and then starting the layers all over again. Looks really pretty in the jar, and then I'm keeping the spices along the edge of the jar so that you can see it. Holiday simmer pots make amazing gifts, and they are an all-natural way to make your living space have a really holiday feel and aroma. I also stick a cinnamon stick in the jar. To use a simmer pot, just dump it in a pot of boiling water on your stove and just keep refilling the water frequently, and your home will smell amazing. So these were my holiday gifts last year. I gave out chocolate chip cookie mixes and simmer pots. I tied twine or ribbon around them and gave them out as gifts with instructions. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.